In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Weebly. If you've already purchased a domain and you want to use it with your Weebly website, this process is pretty straightforward. The main idea is that you'll first connect the domain inside Weebly, and then you'll update your domain's DNS settings with your domain provider so everything points to your site correctly. Start by logging into your Weebly dashboard. Once you're inside your account, find the website you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can manage both the design of your website and the key settings connected to it. Next, click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, go to the General tab. This is where Weebly keeps your main site details, including the current site address. In the site address section, look for the option to change the address, then click Change. Weebly will give you different options for how you want to connect your site. Choose the option that says Use a domain I own. This is the right choice if you already bought your domain from another provider or previously registered it elsewhere. Now type in your custom web address carefully. It's a good idea to double check the spelling here because even a small typo can cause connection problems later. After entering the domain, click Verify or Connect, depending on what Weebly shows on your screen. At this point, Weebly will usually provide the DNS details you need in order to finish the setup. The next part happens outside of Weebly. Log into the account where you purchased your domain, then open the DNS Manager or DNS Settings area. The exact name may vary depending on your domain registrar, but you're looking for the place where you can manage records for your domain. Once you're in the DNS settings, add or update the A records so that both your root domain, shown as the @ symbol, and the www version of your domain point to the IP address provided by Weebly. If old records already exist, make sure you update them carefully rather than leaving conflicting entries in place, since duplicate or incorrect records can prevent the domain from connecting properly. After you save those changes, keep in mind that DNS updates can take some time to fully propagate. In some cases, it happens quickly, but it may also take several hours before your domain starts loading your Weebly site everywhere consistently. Once propagation is complete, your custom domain should be connected and your Weebly website will be live under your own web address.